In this video, I'm going to give you 3 different bonuses that you can offer if you're doing high ticket affiliate marketing so you can increase your conversion rate and make more high ticket commissions. This is going to be perfect for anyone who's promoting a program that is especially high ticket that pays you anywhere between $500 to $1,000 or more commissions. Now, really quickly, my name is Brian Brewer. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I've been in the game for a long time. I've won the ClickFunnels Dream Car Award. I've been a multi-platinum legendary marketer affiliate, and I even won the ClickFunnels 2 Comma Club Award for generating over $1 million in affiliate sales with one funnel. So let's talk about actually creating bonuses, right? The purpose of creating a bonus if you're doing high ticket affiliate marketing is to increase the value of the offer, right? The offer might be great on its own, but you as an affiliate, if you can come through and offer a bonus to anyone who purchases that program using your affiliate link, not only are you going to increase the likelihood that the prospect is going to buy, but you're also going to increase their desire because you increased the value and they're getting something extra special from you. So that differentiates you as an affiliate. That means people are going to be more likely to buy from you than other people who might be promoting the same program. So the first thing we're going to talk about is value. I'm going to take you inside the computer and show you how we increase the value of an affiliate offer with our bonuses. But before I do, I just want to be 100% transparent. I do not have anything for sale here today. I don't have anything to sell you in this video. I just want to help you become a great affiliate marketer and make lots of money because affiliate marketing changed my life. And as a matter of fact, as a bonus, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a 100% free affiliate marketing course that I created for you that's going to give you 8 secrets that shows you how I made over $400,000 last year as an affiliate marketer. All right, let's jump into the computer here. All right, now that we're inside the computer, we are looking at the value equation. And this is important to understand first because once again, the purposes of adding a bonus is not to just give people more stuff. The purposes of a bonus is to increase the value of the total offer. That way we can essentially make price non-existent or a non-factor, right? If we just create a crazy amount of value through the product that we're promoting and the bonuses that we're offering, then people just feel compelled to buy and the price becomes not relevant, so to speak. What is the value equation, right? Well, this is something I got from Alex Hermosi, and this is the best way to describe value, right? What we want to do is we want to take these 2 elements on top and we want to make them as high as possible. We want to take these 2 elements on the bottom and make them as low as possible. And if we do that, we're going to increase the overall value. So the desired outcome, what can they get if they purchase the thing, right? Quit their job, make money, lose weight, whatever, right? That's going to be pretty much predetermined by the product that you're promoting. So there's not a whole lot that we can do there. What we can do is increase the perceived likelihood of success though, right? If we can add things that's going to increase their chances of being successful or their belief in their ability to be successful with the thing that you're promoting, well, then that's going to obviously increase the value. And we have a lot of control over this one as an affiliate. I'm going to talk about that in one of the bonuses that I'm going to reveal to you here. The other things on the bottom here, right? Remember, we want to drop these down as much as possible. Time delay, how quickly can they see results? We have some control over that as affiliates. And then effort and sacrifice, right? How much work do they have to do to get the payoff that the product that you're promoting is promising, right? And as affiliates, we have a lot of control over this one. We can drop this darn near down to 0 for them. So basically, we're going to focus on these 2 elements over here. We want to increase their perceived likelihood of success, and we want to drop down their effort and sacrifice through the bonuses that we create. And once again, that's going to skyrocket the value of the offer, making purchasing a no-brainer. So when you're thinking about a bonus, right, the first bonus that I'm going to talk about is an opportunity for you to fill a gap, right? If you're looking at promoting a high ticket product, you want to look for gaps, right? What's missing from that product? And that's where you want to come and fill that with your bonus, because if you do that, then once again, you're going to increase the overall value of the offer. Alternatively, what sometimes people do is they add bonuses that are already in existence inside the actual product. And you can see more stuff is not helpful. So what you want to do is you want to look for those gaps. So if you're promoting a high ticket course, for example, something that costs maybe $1,000, $997, $2,000, whatever, that course may have a ton of great information. So you don't want to supplement that with a bonus of more information because time is our most valuable resource as people, right? So just to give them more information doesn't really do a whole lot. Plus, you've probably at some point already told them that the product you're promoting has all the necessary information to succeed. So what can you do in this case? Well, if this is a course, like a $9.97 course, for example, what you might want to do is you might find the gap that is support or coaching, right? Because if it's just a course with information in a dashboard, then your prospect might want coaching or one-on-one calls, or what I like to call a get out of jail free card, where if they have any questions, they can reach out to you as a person, get on a Zoom call and get their questions answered. And this is really powerful for two reasons. First of all, people really love coaching. And if they can't get it inside a course, they might look elsewhere. But if they can get it inside the course that you're promoting through your bonus, then that becomes a no-brainer offer for them. The other thing people really like to know is they like to know that when they're going to buy a course, that they're not just going to be left hung out to dry, right? Maybe this has happened to you. You see a course, it looks great, the creator's creating all this content, you go to buy, now you're in this dashboard and there's nobody to talk to, and you email the course creator and crickets, right? Nobody likes that. So if you can offer them a get out of jail free card, which is just another form of coaching, where you tell them, hey, anytime you have a question, right, just shoot me a text, we'll get on a Zoom, we'll get everything cleared up, right? People love that because they just feel well taken care of. So that's bonus number one that you can offer if the product you're promoting doesn't have coaching. Now, bonus number two is really interesting, and I'm going to take you inside and show you exactly what I've used in the past. This is a real life example of a bonus that I offer, and I love offering this bonus because it does two things. First of all, if we go back to the value equation here, hopefully I can find it. I lost it. Where did it go? Right there. So the thing I really like about this bonus that I'm going to share with you is it drops the effort and sacrifice almost down to zero, right? Whereas coaching, we just talked about in bonus number one, that increases the perceived likelihood of success, which, because it's on the top, increases the overall value of the offer. This drops the effort and sacrifice way low. And you actually get better results by dropping down the bottom than you do by increasing the top, right? Think about Amazon, right? Why does everybody love shopping on Amazon? Are they the cheapest? No, right? We like shopping on Amazon because we can get it in 2 days or less, right? That drops the time delay, right? That's why we, love movies on demand and Netflix and stuff. We can watch things right now, right? So if you can drop down the time delay or the effort and sacrifice, that actually has more value than increasing the top, as high as you want. So this one drops down the effort and sacrifice almost to zero, but this is also going to help you actually add monthly recurring revenue to your business without really doing any extra work. It's really incredible. This bonus is actually how I won this ClickFunnels Dream Car Award here, right? I got a ton of people over to the ClickFunnels software, and then I got my dream car, which was a 2021 Chevy Silverado High Country. So really cool there. So how do we do this, right? How does this all work? Well, bonus number two is what I like to call funnels or done for you funnels, right? Anything done for you will work, but I'm in the make money online space. So done for you funnels make sense, because if you want to make money online, you're going to need a funnel or a website. So here's exactly how I fulfilled this bonus, right? Just a little side note, you can fulfill this bonus after the purchase. For example, if you purchase this program, I will give you this done for you funnel. Or what you can do also, which also works pretty well, if you word things correctly, is you can give this funnel up front if it's relevant to the product that you're promoting, because this will make them more likely to purchase the product. But once again, it's entirely up to you. It's probably easier to offer people this funnel after they click on your affiliate link and go buy the product. But this is how I fulfill on this done for you funnel, right? I'm going to go ahead and show you this right now. So all I did is I created a page on my website, and it doesn't really matter what funnel building software you're using, just create this on your website. And really there's a couple of key elements to this. First, you have to set up a training video, right? A recorded training video that shows people how to actually get your funnel that you built for them, right? Like you gotta give them step-by-step instructions. Now, the cool thing about that is you only have to do it once. You can see this video just lives here. It's about 29 minutes, and it shows people step-by-step how they can use the funnel, which in this case actually helps people promote affiliate products, right? Because that's what the end product that I'm promoting in this case shows people how to do, how to become an affiliate marketer. So as you can see here, as they watch this, I have all the steps and buttons down for them below this training. I make it super simple. I'll make sure you put everything on one page. And then in order to fulfill on this bonus, you just give people the link to this page, right? So the first thing they obviously have to do in this case is join Legendary Marketer, because that's how they become an approved affiliate for Legendary Marketer. And this funnel promotes Legendary Marketer, right? Okay, so after they become an approved affiliate, the next thing they do is actually have to get the funnel building software. And here's where the monthly recurring revenue and extra commissions come into the place, because step 2 is obviously to create their ClickFunnels account. So when they click on this little red button right here to go over to ClickFunnels, that obviously has my affiliate link. They start their 14-day trial, but then they're cookied to me. So if they become active members of ClickFunnels, then I'm going to get, $38 every single month, because I get 40% commissions on that software. The neat thing here is, because you gave them a funnel, they know how to use ClickFunnels, or they have a reason to start using ClickFunnels. So it actually helps with churn rate as well. And that really was a big part of letting me get enough active users to actually get the Dream Car Award, because that's kind of the tricky thing with software. So yeah, after that, then they can actually just import the copy of the funnel. In funnel building software, I know ClickFunnels does it. I also use System.io. They do it as well. Once you build the website, you can actually share a link with people, and it will allow them to one-click import that website into their account. And it's really super valuable, because it saves people a lot of time and effort, right? If we're talking about the value equation. So when they get down to step 3, as they're following along in this video, when they click this, it's going to automatically allow them to add the funnel into their account. Super simple. The next step, this funnel happens to be a 2-page bridge page funnel, where page 1 captures the email and pre-frames leads. The second page of this funnel actually has a bridge page video where they further pre-frame their leads for an existing offer. And I give them a script, right? In case they don't know what to say, I give them a script. I even offer them the opportunity to hire a video creator from Fiverr if they want to do like text over voice over text, right? The cool thing about this is obviously my Fiverr affiliate link here. So I don't know how much they pay me, but I make some money from that. And then finally, I want to sweeten the deal even further, right? You want to give people everything they need. That way they implement. I actually give them an opportunity to get a done for you initial automated email sequence that coincides with this funnel that they just got. This is a copy and paste email sequence. I just share a Google document with them that has like 8 emails that they can copy and paste. But they also are going to need an autoresponder, of course. This is my GetResponse affiliate link right here. So when they click on this, they start a free account with GetResponse, and I get the credit. Down here, I have a bonus commission opportunity. This video shows them how they can actually share this funnel to help them increase conversions of the product, and also how they can start earning monthly recurring revenue by sharing the funnel, and they can get the ClickFunnels revenue. So you see there, that bonus is amazing. It takes a little bit of time to create, but once it does, it's automatic to fulfill, and it's super valuable, because once again, it drops down the perceived or the effort and sacrifice dramatically. It also does increase the perceived likelihood of success a little bit, because they're like, oh, I just needed the right funnel. Now I have the right funnel. Now I'm likely to succeed. So that's really cool. Now, the third bonus that I like to offer, and this is a little bit backwards, I actually offer this bonus up front. And this bonus is in the form of a free course, right? So how does this work for affiliate marketing? Well, for example, a couple years ago, I used to promote the Shopify affiliate program. They have a pretty good affiliate program. Basically, they'll pay you the first 2 payments. So if it costs $29 a month to join Shopify and you refer someone to Shopify, they're going to give you $58, or the first 2 payments, as long as they keep their account active. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to create a bonus that would increase the conversions of that. So I think to myself, what do people need in order to buy Shopify and then of course stick with Shopify? Well, they need to know how to use Shopify and how to make money with Shopify. So that's exactly what this free course teaches. It teaches them in 8 modules how to set up their Shopify store, how to import their products for drop shipping, and how to fulfill your first order, right? And even add Facebook pixels and all the stuff that you need, right? So this gives people the confidence and shows them how they can actually make money. And when they go through this, they're going to start to think to themselves, oh, I can actually do this. This makes sense. Gosh, finally someone's not trying to charge me $1,000 to teach me drop shipping. Here it is right here. I can do this. I should actually get started, right? So, of course, at some point in this video here, I prompt them to go create their Shopify store, right? Because I'm giving them a course that teaches them how to get set up. And as you guessed, this is my affiliate link, right? This is how they get to Shopify. But once they do, then they'll be cookied to me. Also, some other cool things about creating a free course up front as a bonus that you offer up front. You can put other offers in there. For example, anyone who's starting a Shopify store might need some Facebook ads training. So I have a link to my number one recommended Facebook ads training course. That's my affiliate link right there, right? So I'm going to make money when they go buy that as well. But the other cool thing about this opportunity is when I'm offering a free course, that is going to help my content perform better on social media, and I'm going to get more reach because people are going to engage with my content because I'm giving something of high perceived value away instead of just trying to sell stuff on social media. Generally, people like free stuff, so that means my my content's going to get likes and comments and thank yous and shares, and people are going to watch me again and again and again because I'm giving value first. So that's a cool thing. The other cool thing, I generate a ton of leads doing this, right? So I can promote other back-end offers, and this really does help facilitate the conversion of the back-end product because when people are looking to buy a product, sometimes their number one objection is they just simply don't believe in themselves. So if we can give them a free course up front, that'll help build the belief in them, making them more likely to purchase. So hopefully this was valuable. With that being said, I do have the 100% free affiliate marketing course that I promised you in the beginning of this video. You can get that at the 90-minute affiliate challenge. It's just 90minute-affiliatechallenge.com. Or you can go down to the description of this video or somewhere below this video, maybe the comments, wherever, depending on where you're watching it. And you can actually go ahead and go over to the 90-minute affiliate challenge and you can register for free. And you can dive right in and see the 8 secrets that helped me build a $400,000 per year affiliate marketing business. If you like this video, make sure you get that course because you're going to absolutely love it. And leave a comment, subscribe to the channel so you see future videos, and drop a like if you feel inclined to do so, and we'll see you in the next one.